Sarah and Ben went on a trip. They went to Yellowstone National Park. They were very excited. They had never been to Yellowstone before. They drove in their car with their family. They drove for a long time. They saw many trees. They saw tall mountains. They saw blue sky. "Are we there yet?" Sarah asked. "Almost," Dad said. "Soon you will see amazing things." Finally, they arrived. They saw a big sign. It said, "Welcome to Yellowstone National Park." Sarah and Ben cheered. They got out of the car. They took deep breaths. The air was fresh and clean. "Wow," Ben said. "Look!" Sarah and Ben saw something amazing. It was a geyser. It was Old Faithful. Hot water shot high into the air. It was like a fountain. "It's hot," Sarah said. "Yes," Mom said. "It's very hot water from the ground." They watched Old Faithful. The hot water went up, up, up. Then it came down. It was very cool. They walked around. They saw other geysers. Some geysers were big. Some geysers were small. All the geysers were different. They saw a big blue pool. It was hot water, too. It was a hot spring. The water was very blue. It was very pretty. "Can we swim?" Ben asked. "No, Ben," Dad said. "The water is too hot. It's very, very hot." They walked some more. They saw a river. The river was clear. They saw trees by the river. They saw some animals. They saw bison. Bison are big animals. They are like cows, but bigger. "Look," Sarah said. "Bison!" The bison were eating grass. They were big and brown. They walked slowly. They saw some deer. The deer were small and brown. They were eating leaves. "So many animals," Ben said. They saw some birds. They saw eagles. Eagles are big birds. They fly high in the sky. "An eagle," Sarah said. The eagle flew over the trees. It was very big. It was very beautiful. They drove to a different part of the park. They saw a big lake. It was Yellowstone Lake. The lake was huge. It was so big. "Can we swim now?" Ben asked. "No, Ben," Mom said. "The lake is very cold. It's too cold to swim." They took a boat ride on the lake. The water was blue and sparkly. They saw mountains around the lake. "It's beautiful," Sarah said. "Yes," Dad said. "Yellowstone is a very special place." They ate lunch in the park. They ate sandwiches. They drank juice. They were hungry from all the walking. After lunch, they went to a museum. The museum had information about Yellowstone. They learned about the animals. They learned about the plants. They learned about the geysers. "Yellowstone is amazing," Ben said. "Yes," Sarah said. "I love Yellowstone." They drove back to their hotel. They were tired, but happy. They had a great day at Yellowstone. "We saw so many things," Ben said. "Yes," Sarah said. "Geysers, bison, deer, eagles, a lake." They talked about their favorite things. They liked the geysers. They liked the animals. They liked the lake. They liked everything. They went to sleep. They dreamed about Yellowstone. They dreamed about geysers. They dreamed about bison. They dreamed about their Yellowstone adventure. It was a trip they would never forget. Yellowstone was a wonderful place. They wanted to go back again someday. They loved Yellowstone.